Mga kaganapan sa ating himpilan, ihahatid sa inyo. #PalaNews.
Tunghayan na po natin ang pagkilala sa ating mahal na epe mula sa
Southern Tagalog Excellence in Leadership Awards o STELA
sa pangunan ni
Mr. Darwin T. Avila, Founding Chairman of STELA.
The Southern Tagalog Excellence in Leadership Awards o STELA is a prestigious organization that recognizes and celebrates outstanding leadership in the Southern Tagalog. With a mission to promote and inspire excellence in leadership, the organization aims to highlight individuals and companies that have made significant contributions to their respective industries through their exceptional leadership skills and innovative approaches. By honoring these leaders, the Southern Tagalog Excellence in Leadership Awards strive to encourage others and make a positive impact on their communities and beyond.
Congratulations po muli, Chief!
And thank you, Southern Tagalog Excellence in Leadership Awards.
Stella.
Congratulations po, Attorney. Bago po ang lahat, basahin ko po yung citation. Southern Tagalog Excellence in Leadership Award, Plaque of Recognition, presented to Attorney Persida Rueda Acosta, Hall of Fame Award, STELA 2025, Exceptional Contribution and Achievement in the Field of Public Service, April 26, 2025 at Queen Margaret Hotel and Resort. Signed by Darwin Abela, STELA CEO Manager, and Jenny Clemente Marketing Head. Thank you po. Congratulations po.
Again, congratulations po, Chief, and thank you, Southern Tagalog Excellence in Leadership Awards.
Muli po, sa ngalan po ng buong pwersa ng Public Attorney's Office, lawyers and staff, maraming salamat po. Salamat unay sa Panginoon Diyos Ama na sa atin nagbibigay buhay at lakas. Ikalawa po sa inyo na kumikilala sa hirap at sakit ng bawat public attorney and staff na naglilingkod sa maralitang Pilipino. Mabuhay po kayo.